Whether it's to fix a fender bender or a major collision or the design of a custom paint job for a car show, the training for the growing need for these talented professionals is here. TradeTech Automotive Collision Repair Program combines classroom instruction with hands-on training in welding, diagnostic, and repair procedures, body alignment processes, painting and finishing, and more. By fulfilling program requirements, students become proficient in a variety of automotive collision techniques and gain the skills to maintain, repair, and diagnose body and fender damage. Students learn to refinish vehicles using various paints and tools, including sophisticated devices like lasers and computers for mixing paint, as well as dust control contamination vacuum tools for smoothing paint finishes. There are courses where students who are interested in detailing, pinstriping, and custom design, and those with a passion for the restoration of classic cars, can tap into their artistry and creativity. Students also learn to write collision repair estimates using insurance industry-recognized computer software. Upon completion of the program, students are equipped to work as an insurance estimator or service manager, repairing problems occurring in automotive collision systems or working in or owning custom auto body and paint shops. TradeTech jumpstarts careers in automotive collision repair.